Hello friends, this is Ahmed from IAMS platform. To Dockerize Django app, we have to follow 4 simple steps. Number 1, we have to create requirements file to define all dependencies for this project just by this single line command pip phrase requirements.txt. Here you can see whatever the package or other dependencies required for this project has been written by that command. Number 2, we have to create Docker file so we can write all instructions to build an image. In the first command, we are importing the official Python image. Now you can see from the Docker Hub. So we are importing the Python image built on Linux 3.9 Slim Bistro operating system from Docker Hub. Now we are defining that our working directory will be the app folder in the image. Now we are defining that our working. Now we need to copy requirements file from current project folder to the working directory of image so it can install all dependencies while creating a container. And this is the command to install dependencies. We need to copy all other project files and folder to image working directory, and first dot is the current folder directory representation, and the second dot is the representing the our image app working directory. And now we are executing our main command to run this server. Here we are defining that our port will be the 8000 on the container. Our third part is the image building. This is the single command to build an image. We have to define tag of this image as I defined here Django to do app. Note, keep in mind we cannot use capital letters in the tag name. Here it is running instructions to build an image. Now our fourth and the last step, run the container. To run the container, this command will run or create container by the help of our mentioned image instructions we have wrote. Okay, here you can see we are using Django app in Docker container. It's working fine. Good. Now let's summarize it. First of all, you have to create requirement file. Number 2, you have to create Docker file and define the instructions in that. You have to build image and then run the container.